Yo, what's up guys? So welcome to this video. How can you go from $1,000 to $100,000 in just 1 week? And I've done that in a day before multiple times through the power of doing product launches. But if you want to do it in 1 week and you have $1,000, some of it's going to require a lot of luck. Some of it's going to require a lot of hard work, and some of it's going to require a lot of smart work. And yeah, okay, so one of the first things I thought of was like, you can do crypto altcoins. And right now the market's down, but if you're watching this in the future, who knows what the market's like. But there's always an opportunity to buy low and to sell when it rises to the top, when it gets higher at the peak. For the price of a crypto altcoin. Usually it's hard to make this happen with stock, but when it comes to crypto, anything's possible a lot of times. So it's pretty crazy what can happen. And then another way to make a lot of money super duper quickly with just $1,000 is you can go network. I like to always let you guys know that you can network, and it's the people you know that can change your life. Oftentimes it's not what you know, but it's oftentimes like what you know, and that's how you can literally crush it. So definitely do that. And just to double check something I was thinking about also, anyway, it's just crazy because one individual in your life can change your life, just one person. And so if you, let's say you spend like $1,000, all of a sudden, guess what can happen? You can make $100,000 fast. No, I was kidding. Literally, just if you go and spend $1,000 and you're smart with it and you go to where rich people hang out, you can network with rich people. The budget may not last long, but you can network with, guess who? Rich people, okay? And there's nothing better than that when you want to create wealth for yourself. If you're broke right now, and you just want to use $1,000, I'm telling you, all you need is someone in your corner, okay, who wants to see you succeed and who is already successful, and you will succeed. I'm willing to bet there are millionaires living next door to you and you don't even realize it, okay? It's just how it works, okay? I live in a pretty basic neighborhood, and I'm a millionaire. And if you ever read the book Millionaire Next Door, you'll know all about it. Like, there's millionaires all around. Okay, there's also really nice people all around. I get that. People always have a contradiction when we talk money, but that's what this is about that I'm just talking about right now. But yeah, and I'm not even money centric or materialistic at all. In fact, I don't even have many possessions, like at all. I mean, I stole a lot of things, and I keep things very simplistic the way I live. But when it comes to money, it just helps you have more freedom in life, so it's very important. And if you want to go from $1,000 to $100,000, I would say increase that time frame. Do you want to see success? Increase it to be a few months. Increase it to be 1 year. Give yourself a goal to make $1 million in 12 months. And every day, work towards making it happen, but work smart. You don't have to work hard, trust me. I know this firsthand, but I always worked hard in the beginning to make it work. And I got lucky, then I doubled down because I got lucky by finding a strategy that worked after trying many times to make something work. And eventually I cracked the code to make something work for myself. And all I can say is for you, just keep trying methods and testing methods with speed, because money loves speed. So the faster you're testing things, the quicker you're going to find out what's going to work for you. And then double down. And literally, it really just comes down to having traffic, just having, and the more the people, the better that you have access to promote a product to. Then the next key is have an irresistible offer. Craft an offer. Don't sell a product, don't sell a service. Combine stuff together and make a no-brainer offer. That's how you crush it. And then if you really want to make money very quickly, I really recommend sell something very high ticket or sell something that's recurring. If you sell one-time things, like affiliate offers that pay one time, or you make your own offer and it pays only one time, you're going to have to keep getting new buyers. But what you can do then is just introduce new offers over time, again and again, But I'm telling you right now, the best thing to do is promote a high ticket thing, an offer, and make it irresistible. I mean, irresistible. Combine as much as you possibly can, and if you need to increase the price to make it worth it to you to how much value you're giving people, perfect, because this makes you stand out. And when you have something irresistible to people, it doesn't require much effort at all to sell. And so you just make you can make free content and get in front of people, and people will buy. And that's how you make money in this world, and that's how it's always been. And those who craft irresistible offers win. And so if you want to make $100,000 and just have $1,000, you can turn it into a lot more money than that very quickly, just by being smart and reinvesting the money into growth, but having something great to sell that's an offer that's irresistible. I ultimately think that's one of the best ways to make money. So thank you so much for watching. Peace out, learning machines. Peace.